सोचता हूँ कुछ लिखूं उसके लिए जिसने दिया मुझे जन्म। चाहे हालात कैसे भी हो, हंसते हंसते सहे सारे गम। अपनी रातों की नींदें खराब कर दी मुझे सुलाने के लिए, उस माँ को सलाम जिसने सहे सारे दुख मुझे हंसाने के लिए।
Ma, we will never be able to thank you enough for everything you do for us. You never show your pain. You never show your anger. You are an epitome of sacrifices. You encourage us, and most of all, you believe in us. Whenever we are in pain, you always understand and keep us motivated. The one who knows about your children the best. You never discriminated between your children. For each child, your mantra was the same. You love us for who we are, and that's the best part in you. You show us a path which is enlightened and full of happiness. It is just a token of love from ours to yours. Let's have a look, Ma.
Mother, a word which fills everyone with emotions. Whenever we talk about selfless and unconditional love, the first image which comes in our mind is the image of our mothers. Truly said by Rudyard Kipling that God could not be everywhere and therefore He made mothers. Because mothers are one of the first indications of the sovereignty of God in our lives. Mother's love for her child certainly cannot be compared with anything. From our first day of birth till the last day of our life, she is the only person whom we remember in every difficult situation. From the first day of school till the last day of university, there is a common teacher in our life who guides us, motivates us, and inspires us, and that is our mother. She sacrifices her every happiness to make her children happy. Undoubtedly, mothers are highly responsible women in the whole world. However we hurt her, she never complains because mother have an extremely forgiving nature. She is the greatest creation of God. She is a gem in everyone's life because a mother is she who can take the place of all others, but whose place no one else can take.
Despite all the love and care, somewhere down the line, we forget that her life starts with us and ends at us. We have a report on how these elderly mothers being sent by their children to the old age home. It sounds heartbreaking, but it's the harsh truth.
Close to 18 million elderly in India are homeless. Out of that, 1/3 are women, our mothers. Mothers living in poverty face abandonment by their own children as they cannot earn an income. Many a times they are left with no choice but to beg to survive. Many mothers are left alone after their children move to cities in search of their livelihood. Never complain to their children. They always pray for them and always give their blessing in spite of all the negligence. They wait for their children to come. They have tears in their eyes but never speak up. Remember that beautiful moment when you took your first steps by holding your mother's hand, and think, why can't you hold your mother's hand when she is in need, when she is old? What our mother needs is just our emotional support. She wants us to be there with us. I am totally alarmed after seeing the data that there are more than 1,000 of old age homes in India today which are working to take care of them. Maitra India is one of them who takes care of 300 abandoned elderly women. That is our mothers.
With this, in the ending note, just want to say thank you, Ma. The way you do, no one can in this entire world. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful Ma out there.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.